can't be
come
good.
on, girl.
That can't be good. It's been cute. It's straightforward. Projectile. See, hiccups are gone.
Did you swallow?
When you don't, of course it's just.
You gotta swallow it or it won't work. Swallow, bitch.
Take it all. Take it all. See, the way it works is you can't hiccup if you can't breathe. So. Vinegar? Really?
How'd you hiccups?
It's still in your mouth?
Oh, you didn't swallow it yet? Oh.
I want to see it. Oh, you've got to be shitting me. It's not?
Usually we get laugh.
Breathe. Like.
Please.
Wow. You've got to be kidding me.
Told ya.
Okay, testimonial.
It worked!
Vinegar cures hiccups instantly. Serious. Nobody believes me about that.